अस्तु, अहं निर्गच्छामि।
आम्,
धन्यवादाः।
धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः।
ओके, प्रार्थना श्लोकं किं करोति?
अहं वदामि। ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायं श्रीगण्यमहेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वदरुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्।
धन्यवादः राजश्री महोदय। ओके, समास बुक पेज नंबर 71। 71 or 70? Which
70.
one?
70.
70. Okay. अद्य कः अस्ति? हर्षा, मधुमती, राजश्री, रोहिणी, प्रशांत। सो क्रमः मम मधुमती, प्रशांत, राजश्री and Rohini. Okay. So अधः कानिचन विग्रहवाक्यानि दत्तानि सन्ति तदाधारेण समस्तपदानि लिखन्तु समासनाम् अपि लिखन्तु। वयं न कृतवन्तः गतसप्ताहे सालः इति वृक्षः।
अहं विस्मृतवती महोदय।
Yeah, okay. It doesn't matter. We can do again. सालः इति वृक्षः। सो साल वृक्षः संभावना पूर्वपदः कर्मधारय, राइट? सम्यक् वा?
आं महोदय। भोजः इति राजा, भोजराजा, it is the same one. संभावना पूर्वपद कर्मधारय।
भोजराजः, that visarga.
Rajah is it?
Rajah.
प्रशांत महोदय। प्रशांत महोदय अस्ति वा?
Like it is Abhyas 3.
No, Abhyas 2.
2.
Abhyas 2. Okay. Vijaya Nagarasya Raja. So this is Adya Kadan Vigravaki Dattani. Raja Dattani Tadodhan Samasthana Vikantu. Vijay Nagar Raja. And this is then Shashti Tatpurush.
But I think Vijayanagar Raja, right?
Rajaha bhavati.
विजयनगर राजा
So
Raja
sometimes we hear
Raja
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 and sometimes Raja, right?
Raja, they
No,
have given. No,
I
Asha
think
Mohan.
Rajah only. Vijayanagar Rajah.
is a pulling.
Yeah, pulling.
Which one is it?
Oh.
Those exceptions they have
Ah,
given.
Raja Shashti.
We have,
Raja. No?
we have some exceptions, no?
Ah, it is Raja.
Rajashri Mahoday.
Exceptions, 1 minute. No, exceptions, I think, Rohini Mahodaya, they have given in page 23.
Huh?
Exceptions, Shobanaha Raja, Suraja, but this is not given as exception.
Okay.
Apavadaha, Tatpurushe Apavadaha, only Su and Ati Shabda gets Raja. If it is
Kintu
Su
Su.
and Ati,
Yeah, Su and Ati is a Prati Samasa, right? Pradi Samasa.
it says, it doesn't say, it says Tatpurusha Samasanta Pratyayasya Apavadaha, Tatpurushe.
Astu Mahodaya.
The reason, sorry, can we repeat the reason?
Reason is राजन राजा शब्दस्य प्रातिपदिकं राजन् अस्ति. सो समस्तपदे नकारस्य लोपः भवति, तदर्थं राजः इति. ओके,
धन्यवादः.
अस्तु.
दशान चन्द्रसेनः इति राजा, चन्द्रसेन राजः.
आम्. समासनां
समास नाम संभावना पूर्वपद कर्मधारय.
आम्. प्रशान्त महोदय किमपि प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा?
Yeah, like the iti is like this one is like Chandrasen iti Raja. Chandrasen like Raja.
Right.
Right.
Yeah.
My turn, Prayaga.
रोहिणी महोदय.
दशानाम् अध्यायानां समाहारः दशाध्यायी. So,
आम्. कः समासः?
द्विगु
आम्. द्विगु समासे है. साधारणतया स्त्रीलिंग पदं समस्तपदे आगच्छति.
आम् आम्.
समाहारद्विगु.
समाहारद्विगु, या.
समाहारद्विगुः. मम अतिक्रान्तः मानवम्. कथम् अस्ति? अतिमानव, दिस् इस् अव्ययी भाव.
अधिक्रान्तः
अतिक्रान्तः is Pradi Samas.
Pradi, yes. Ati.
Pradi Samasah.
But in Avyay Bhav also we have that same, no?
Anatikramya. In Avyay.
Yes.
Shaktim anatikramya. Then it will become Yata Shakti.
Dhanyawad Mahoday.
Okay, so this one is a Pradi Samasa, right?
Pradi
Samas.
Mahodaya had given example of Atikrantaha
Devaha.
Devaha.
Ati Devaha.
Ati Devaha. Yes. was the example.
Greater than gods is what it
Ah,
said.
correct.
Abharanam karoti iti abharanakaraha abharanakaraha upapada samasa.
Okay.
Aparanakarah.
Abharanam, its meaning is
Kumbhakaraha abharanakaraha
Abharanam
abharanam
ityukte
karoti
jewelry.
iti.
Who is making
Huh?
jewelry?
Ornaments, the one who makes ornaments.
Okay. Goldsmith. Okay.
Goldsmith. Upapada samasa.
Abharana karaha and karaha both, no? He has told.
Yeah, I had a doubt which one is right. Because Kumbhakaraha is there. Oh,
I think karaha sounds better.
sound. No, but Karaha is also there. I saw somewhere.
Ah, the Mahodaya only, Banu Mahodaya has given. Sutrakaraha, Sutradaraha, Sutradharaha, like that is.
Hmm.
Astu mama, na Prashod Mahodaya.
Yes, my turn. Sorry.
But what is the answer given, Magadya?
For what?
What is the answer given for this? Abharana.
Abharanakaraha.
Okay.
Okay. This. Veena Panau Yasyaha Sa. इसके हाथ में वीणा. This one. बहुव्रीहि कौन सा था? What was that? बहुव्रीहि what was it? No, Shashti, yes, but it is in the hands, no?
Yeah.
So it would be
Yadi.
Prathama and
Yadikarana.
which one was?
Yadikarana.
Vyadhikarana.
I remember it is with Va, but okay. Vyadhikarana.
What is
Katham
the
Vyadhikarana?
Then it's
no, Mahodaya, the Panav is Saptami, no? Veena Panav. Panav is Saptami.
that's why it's Vyadhikarana.
It is not Prathama there, Harshama. Veena.
No, Veena.
One Saptami.
Veena.
One Prathama, Saptami,
Saptami.
and Shashti.
Prathama and Saptami. Yes.
176, I remember like that.
Oh, okay. So Vyadhikarana. And what is the Samastapadam?
Samastapada Veena Panihi.
Yasyaha, no?
Yeah.
It's a female. Yasyaha sa.
Yeah, sa.
I think.
Maybe Veena Pani.
This one.
I think.
Veena Pani.
Veena Pani.
Pani, I think Dirgha Ikaram, na? Pani.
Dirgha. Yeah. Yes, Dirgha.
Veena Pani.
No, atra hasva diyate.
Kutra?
Yeah.
Uttara madhye
Oh.
hasva diyate.
Oh, Veena Pani hi Pullinga Shabdam di.
Drishyate.
Veena Pani hi iti atra asti. They have given Pullinga answer. I think it's not correct.
No, then we have to ask.
Then let's write this one.
Veena Pani.
I think this one.
Narada Maharishi.
It is Pullinga, but this is Yasyaha sa.
Okay.
Saraswati it will be.
Saraswati. So we'll put a mark in this one.
Yeah.
But if you say Saraswati, then it has to become Bahubri.
It is.
Yes,
It is Bahubali.
It is Bahubali.
This is Bahubali. That is, there is no confusion in Bahubali. Only the confusion is what would be
But
the answer.
even anybody can have Veena, no? Why it should be only Saraswati?
No, that is true.
But
Everybody can have, but It is saying yasyaha sa. They are giving answer as Veena Panihi, no. They are giving pullinga. That is what we are saying. I just
No,
told
I
you.
got it. I got that. No, I'm saying why it has to be Bahuvrihi. If you say Saraswati, it has to be Bahuvrihi.
No, because in the Vigraha Vakyam, yasyaha sa is given. The minute that Yad Shabdam comes, it is Bahuvri.
Oh, acha, that way.
He told, Banu Mahodaya clearly said, if Yad Shabdam
Yes,
comes,
yes,
it is Bahuvri.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, कस्य क्रमः?
Mama Kramaha.
Okay.
Pancha va Shadva. Oh, have we done this? I don't know.
We have done this.
We have done, I don't know.
Something like this we have done. Yes, yes.
Huh?
We have done like with the numbers, but
Aham na smarami Mahodaya. I don't know the answer. Pancha va Shadva. Pancha Shad. Something like that. No, Dvitra, he gave example, I think. Dveva, Trini va, Dvitra, he told. But this one answer, I don't know. Pancha va Shadva.
कोऽपि अन्य जानाति वा? प्रशांत महोदय?
no, I've just seen the examples, but I don't remember much.
Yeah, अहमपि न.
Rohini Mahodaya or Madhumati Mahodaya, any of you remember?
Then we put
No,
in
no, I
doubt this
don't
one also.
remember. Oh, yeah. Sister, I remember Tritra, that.
Dvitra, even I remember. Dvitra. Should we check the answer?
Answer is the same. Yes, which it is Panchashaha Sankhyo Bhaya Padaha Bahuvrihi.
संख्यो उभयपद बहुव्रीहि.
Oh, we didn't do this.
Okay, we did this earlier. That's why we don't remember.
Yes, yes, we have done that. Yes, but I don't remember like how to do it.
पंचशः, right? पंचशः. संख्यो उभयपद बहुव्रीहि.
Panchasha.
रोहिणी महोदय, न धनं.
Na Dhanam. That is Nirdhanam. Nirdhanam or Adhanam. Adhanam na. Nirdhanam. Yeah.
निर्धनं. कः समासः?
Nirdhanam is Avyayi Bhava.
निर्धनं.
I think it's Adhanam.
Even I think it's Adhanam. Nai tat.
Nai tat.
Oh.
Na Dhanam is
Nai Bahuvrihi, it says at the end. Adhanaha. Adhanaha, they have given the answer Adhanaha with the visarg. Pulling it looks. Yeah.
Adhanaha.
Answer is Adhanam. Nai Samasaha.
Adhanam.
No, answer is not Adhanam.
10.
Answer.
Oh, there you are seeing 11.
Sorry. Yes. You're right.
Adhanam is the answer.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Rashri Mahodaya, your voice is very low. You'll have to speak up.
नय तत्पुरुष.
Harsha Mahodaya.
आम्.
Avidyam.
अविद्यमानं धनं यस्य सः. अधनं. This is बहुव्रीहि. बहुव्रीहि षष्ट्यर्थ बहु. नय बहुव्रीहि. Not षष्ट्यर्थ. नय बहुव्रीहि समासः.
नहीं बहुव्रीहि.
What is the answer?
Adanam.
Adana.
नहीं
Okay.
अधनः यस्य सः नो अधनः it will be.
Adanaha. Yeah.
Adanah. Am.
यस्य सः अस्ति.
Saha asti.
So, anyone
Next.
checking the answers, Mavadi?
आम् yes checking.
Okay.
न आदरः
न आदरः
अनादरः अनादरः नैतपुरुषः.
Okay.
Then,
Then it's
second one.
Shrestha Bhasha. Bhasha, this is then Karamdhare Visheshan. Visheshan. Karamdhare Visheshan. Shresht.
विशेषण
Huh?
का पद विशेषणम् अस्ति.
Shresht Bhasha. Then
आम्. So
Shresht Bhasha.
पूर्वपद वा उत्तरपद विशेषणम् अस्ति.
Purpadam. Purpada. Yes.
विशेषण पूर्वपद कर्मधारय.
विशेषणपूर्वपदम्.
राजश्री महोदय.
जीवन्ती भाषा जीवन्ती जीवत् प्रातिपदिकं जीवत् will become जीवद् भाषा. जीवद् जष्ट्वसन्धि भवति. जीवन्ती भाषा again विशेषणपूर्वपद कर्मधारय.
आम्. रोहिणी महोदय.
Mahati Vedana. Mahavedana. Is it?
आम्.
Mahavedana. Again, there's also Visheshana Purvapada Karmadhara.
महान् आढ्यः. महा आढयः.
What is Adhaya?
Adya, na?
आढ्य.
Adya.
No, but what it is? I'm asking.
अर्थम् अहं न जानाति. Let me check.
I'll check 1 minute.
Yeah, check.
I think you continue, I will check. Adhya, I'm not able to type dha.
No, it doesn't. We'll see it later on. Let's move ahead.
पिता च भ्राता च. I know it is Dvandva, Itaretara. Samasta Padam is what I. पितृभ्रातौ.
किम् अस्ति?
पिता च भ्राता च. पितृभ्रातौ.
भ्रातरौ.
भ्रातरौ. But is it Pitru is what I had a doubt.
Pitru. Pitru is a pratipadikam.
Pitrubhratrau.
No,
Pitrubhratrau, it is.
He has given example of Mata Pitarau, Mata cha Pita cha. It did not become Matru Pitarau, it became Mata Pitarau.
Mata Pitarau, yes.
Then it has to be Pita Bhratrubhyaha.
No,
Bhratrau.
Bhratrau, sorry.
Pita Bhratrau.
Pita Bhratrau and it is Itaretharatvam.
Pita Bhratarau.
But in the answer, they have given Pita Bhratrau Dvandva Samasa.
Yeah, Itaretharatvam.
Itaretharatvam. Mama.
There is like, can I ask, like, there is a confusion I have in
Yeah.
this one, like I was reading, when they in the Samahar Dvanda and Iteretara Dvanda, like it's sometimes very difficult to distinguish between which one is Samahara and which one is not, like when you, like,
Okay.
I don't,
द्विगु
is there
द्विगु
any,
समासे या द्विगु समासे प्राय साधारणतया पूर्वपदं संख्यावाचकम् अस्ति।
okay,
द्वन्द्वसमासे उभयपदस्य प्राधान्यम् अस्ति
okay.
No,
Ubhay-
he's saying within
this,
Dvandva, I think. Within Dvandva. Itaretara Dvandva and Samahara Dvandva. No?
And another
I will ask one thing more here.
इतरेतर द्वन्द्व समाहारे वयम् एतेषां समाहार उपयुज्यते, whereas द्वन्द्व समासे पञ्चानां वटानां समाहारः,
Panchanam,
वटानां समाहारः, whereas इतरेतर द्वन्द्व समाहारे वयम् उपयुज्यते एतेषां समाहारः.
No, I think.
So
Mahodaya-
the thing is,
Yeah.
it is for collective noun you use samahara. Samahara is collective
no,
noun.
that,
Itaretara is you have different Ramaha, Lakshmanaha,
yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
This is a collective noun. Rajashri Modaya, am I right?
Yes, yes. Correct.
But sometimes it's like when you have the question, like it is difficult which one it would be. Like this is what my like confusion is.
The main difference is between singular and plural, I think, no?
Yeah,
No.
if it is given,
Yeah.
suppose they give a samasta padam, if it is in napumsaka ekavachana, always it is samahara dvandva. Always. Blindly you can write. Napumsaka lingam ekavachanam means it is only samahara dvandva. It cannot be itaretara dvandva, minimum it will be dvivachanam or bahuvachanam. So from samasta padam, if you want to work, that is the clue. But if they give pani cha padam cha, then you have to little bit think, and as Mahodaya said, if it is collective, you do collective. But there are standard verses. Pani padam always samahara dvandva. Pani padam. That's what he is.
Yes, yes. The examples which you're saying, like there are examples which they are given, but outside that, if you see any word, sometimes it is difficult
Yeah,
here.
that is. Yeah.
For me, at least, I don't know about others.
No, for everybody it is. I only know what Mahodaya has given. So.
Okay.
And another thing, प्रयोगम् आश्रित्य जनरली समाहारद्विगु स्त्रीलिङ्गं भवति, कदाचित् नपुंसकलिङ्गे अपि भवति.
Yeah.
Very
And then there
rarely
was
it
one
is
example
pullinga.
of
Very rarely, but
this. That was Shiva Ratre, was it or no? Shiva. There was one example of the
नवरात्रं नवरात्रं
okay.
नपुंसकलिङ्गे
Navaratram.
और पञ्चाङ्गं.
Adya means wealth.
Wealth.
Dhanikah. Full. It also means full, rich, wealthy, full of.
I think in Atya we come across in Lalita Sahasranam also.
Many shlokas I think it's
Yes,
Adya.
yes.
आढयो बीजनवान् अस्मि.
Okay.
ओके, कस्य क्रमः?
It was
Rajshri Magadera.
Madhyam Ratrehe.
Oh, my
Madhyam
turn.
Ratrehe.
Yeah, it is Rajshri Magadera.
My turn. Madhyam Ratrehe. This will be Madhyam Ratrehe. Madhya. This is Pratama Tatpurusha. Madhya Ratram.
No, it is. I think it is Madhya Ratraha Magadera.
Madhya Ratraha. correct.
So
Tatpurusha becomes
Tatpurusha,
pullingam.
Rashmi Mahodaya, what did you say?
Madhyaratraha, as Rohini Mahodaya said, in Tatpurusha it
Ah.
becomes pullingam.
Yeah, so it is Pratama, is it? Pratama Tat.
Pratama Tatpurusha, because Ratrehe is in Shashti, so the only that will come Shashti Uttarapadam. Pratama Tatpurusha.
So Madhyaratre, then it will be
Madhyaratraha, I think Madhyaratraha is the answer.
Ratraha, then Tasya something.
No, nothing. Like it is Ardham Palasya, na Ardha Palam.
Oh, okay, yes.
1 minute, let me check the answer.
Yes,
Am.
Ardham.
Huh?
Prathama Tatpurush.
Madhyaratraha. Pratama.
Um,
Like Ardham Palasya is Ardha Palam, so Madhyam Ratre is Madhyaratraha.
for all Ekadasi words, it is Ratraha, it seems.
Tatpurusha, it becomes Ratraha. In Dvigum,
Ratra.
it becomes Ratram.
No, for only for this Ekadasi, those words, Madhyam, these are a few words, no? I think it is the
Yeah, Ekadasi.
Pratama Tatpurusha, right?
Oh, you mean the Purva Padam?
Yeah, Purvapada, yes.
Am.
For those, I think you have to use Ratra. Otherwise, we use Ratram or Ratri also.
This is a Kalvachakena Shabda Samasyate. That's why Ekadeshi Shabda, Ekadeshvachak Shabda, and Sastantya Kalvachaka Shabda.
Shruta Katha
This
Yena
is
Sah.
Rohini Mahodaya.
Yeah.
Then Harsha
Shruta.
Mahodaya, then only Prashant Mahodaya. Then me, then only you.
No, it was my turn. I think, but it doesn't matter.
Shruta Kata Yena Saha. It is Shrita Kata. Shrita Kata. Shrita Kata.
Yena
That is.
Oh, Yena Saha.
Shrita Kataha.
Correct.
Shrita Kataha. That is Tritiya. That is Bhagavri.
So who does it refer to?
The person,
Someone.
the male.
Person.
The male who heard the
Who
story.
listen to the story.
Yes.
Okay. Anya Katha. Anya Katha. Anya. कोऽपि जानाति वा?
No, I'm not. I think it's
Anyakata eva na? Anyakata.
Is it Karmadhari?
That will be Visheshana.
No, this is Kathantaram. Mayurvyam Sankadik Karmadharaya.
Mayura Vyamsaka.
Vayam na pathitvantaha.
We have not done this.
No one.
Yeah, vayam na pathitvantaha.
Then I think next one we will do.
Okay. Abhyasah Trutiyah. Madhumati Mahoday.
Gopalaha Pitakshiram Vatsam Vadhati. So this should be Bahuvrihi Pitakshiram. So Pitam Shiram Yena Saha.
In the Mahodaya, I think you have to look at the Vibhakti. Vatsam Vadnati.
Vatsam Pitakshiram Vatsam. So Gopalaha Pita kshiram vatsam vadhnati.
So it's
So,
Dvitiya.
Pitam kshiram
Correct only. You said correct. I
yena
just
saha. Yeah,
Ah.
vatsaha. Yeah.
no. You have to add the Dvitiya vibhakti. No, tam. You have to add tam.
Yena saha tam. And this is Bahuvrihi, right?
Ah,
Yeah.
sorry.
कीदृशः बहुव्रीहिः?
Question.
मधुमती महोदय.
No, I'm thinking. I don't know.
तृतीयार्थ येन
Yeah,
आगच्छति.
yena is there. So, Tritiya. Yeah.
तृतीयार्थ समानाधिकरण बहुव्रीहिः. ओके, प्रशांत महोदय.
अष्टम कक्षायां द्वित्राः छात्राः अनुत्तीर्णाः. This is then द्वि त्रीणि. द्वि वा त्रि वा?
No, द्वि शब्दस्य ओन्ली द्विवचन रूपम् आगच्छति. एकवचनम् अपि नास्ति, बहुवचनम् अपि नास्ति. सो द्वौ.
द्वौ वा छात्रा. No, yeah. त्रीणि.
त्रयः. त्रयः.
It's masculine then. Okay.
So this is
then the Sankhya-vachak.
संख्यो उभय.
Oh, we didn't learn this, no?
संख्यो उभयपदः बहुव्रीहि.
We didn't learn this, no?
No, we have done this.
No,
One or two
only-
example I gave.
Only one example he has given, Dvitra. But we didn't do much.
No, we did panchasha.
Is it?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
Dvauva, Trayava, something like that.
Only one
Huh?
example.
No, we
No,
did it.
taking from that
One of
Panchava,
example.
Shadva,
I
I'm
think
saying. Dvauva, Trayava.
त्रीणि example dattani.
Yeah, Panchava, Shadva was there, no? So something. So Dvauva, Trayava. Trayahava.
Pullingani. Pulling asti.
Okay. कस्य क्रमः?
मम
राजेश महोदय.
एषः अस्मिन् ग्रामे
Already
No,
the
no
earlier
महोदय.
one. Bhaktaha.
भक्ताः.
भक्ताः पीताम्बरं विष्णुं नमस्कृतवन्तः. विष्णुं नमस्कृतवन्तः. पीताम्बरं पीतम् अम्बरं यस्य सः तम्.
आम्.
षष्ट्यर्थ समानाधिकरण बहुव्रीहि.
आम्. रोहिणी महोदय.
एषः अस्मिन् ग्रामे निवसति. सः ग्रामान्तरे निवसति. ग्रामस्य अन्तरे
अहं चिन्तयामि like अन्या कथा, this must be a मयूर्व्यं शङ्कादिस् समासः. So वयं न पठितवन्तः. भवती पञ्चमं करोतु.
There is sorry. अहम् एकं संशयं अस्मि. What is the difference between Vasti and Nivasti? Do we know that? Sometimes it is used.
the same. I think it is the same.
Same. Sometimes upasargaha emphasis on the word. So like that, vasati is a regular, means vasam karoti. Nivasti putting more emphasis on vasati.
Okay. This is the explanation, or you think this is the explanation?
I think this is the explanation.
Okay.
We can ask one more
Many
day.
cases, yeah, many times it changes, sometimes it does not change. It's the same meaning. Vasati, nivasati.
Right.
No, because the thing is that is sometimes like you use some specific words for specific, because I was reading something. Sometimes it is like vasati, sometimes it nivasti, but the thing is that sometimes in few situations you use one word, although the meaning is same, but the when you use it is in some context. That's why I wanted to get it clear.
Yeah. So vayam when we patitvantaha upasargaha tatra diyate, that sometimes upasarga can emphasize the meaning of the word. Sometimes it make a opposite of the word.
Okay. Now
So
it's
yeah, so there is a different things. So sandarbhena anusara vayam nishchitvantaha, it is emphasis or virodhabas.
okay.
Sometimes
Yes,
it is
Now
even not related.
this is what I wanted to hear.
Yeah, no,
Dhanyawad.
it either same or emphasis or does not change. Sometimes like nirmakshika, that other example, there it is opposite. Nirmakshika means no makshika,
Yeah.
but nivasati is the same as Mahodaya said. Same meaning.
Dhanyawad.
उपग्रामम् अरण्यम् अस्ति ग्रामस्य समीप उपग्रामम्. It is अव्ययी भाव.
Gramasya samipam is samipartha, avyayī bhava. सेवकः सर्वदा यथादेशं कार्यं करोति. So यथादेशं पूर्वपदस्य प्राधान्यम् अस्ति. So अव्ययी भाव अनतिक्रम्य आदेशः.
No, देशम् अनतिक्रम्य. Is it?
सम्यक् अस्ति वा राजश्री महोदय?
देशम् अनतिक्रम्य, like Rohini Mahodaya said.
So अव्ययी भाव.
अव्ययी भाव.
देशम् अनतिक्रम्य.
Okay, Madhumati
This
Mahoday.
one I haven't understood. Just sixth one, like yatha desham, what it would be? Could you, avyayi bhav you said.
Yeah.
Okay.
एषः प्रश्नातीतः विषयः. प्रश्नात् अतीतः विषयः. And beyond question. If the meaning is right, then it is Panchami Tattvamsha. I don't know if it's right.
Panchami Tatpurushaha.
No, I think it is.
It is Prashnam Atita, right?
Atita.
Atita, Mahodaya comes in Dvitiya.
Sorry?
That set of words he gave, no, Atita, Panna. So Atita comes means Dvitiya.
So
Then
this is
Prashnam Atitaha. Then it's not Prashnat.
Yeah, Prashnam Atita.
Prashnam Atitaha.
Prashnam Atita.
Yeah, bhiti, bhaya, bhi sabda hi samasate, then only Panchami Tatpurusha. So this is a Dvitiya. Prashnam iti Napunsarlinge किल? No, Prashnam,
No,
Dvitiya Vibhakti. Prashnaha,
Ditya.
Dvitiya
Ditya.
Vibhakti. Pullinga padam.
Oh.
Dvitiya
Prashnam
Tatpurusha.
Atitah.
Prashant Mohoday.
Yeah. महर्षयः अरण्येषु निवसन्ति स्म. So it is Mahanti Rishayah Karmdharayah Visheshan Karmdharayah Mahanti, no? It would be Mahan Mahanto Mahanti because it is
Mahan Mahanto
Mahanta.
Mahantaha, right?
Mahanta.
Mahantah Rishayah Karmdharayah Visheshan
Purvapada.
Purpada.
Visheshana Purvapada.
Purpada.
Let me check. Mahantah Rushaya. Oh, okay. Now, Rajashri Mohoday.
हरिण नेत्रा सा सुंदरी अस्ति. हरिण नेत्रा. हरिण, this is Bahuvrihi. हरिण नेत्रे इव नेत्रे यस्याः सा. हरिण नेत्रे इव नेत्रे.
Okay. अत्र क्रियते हरिणस्य नेत्रे इव नेत्रे यस्याः सा.
Oh.
किमर्थं षष्ठी?
हरिणस्य नेत्रे. I think Mahodaya gave this variation also. Na Rohini Mahodaya, he gave.
Harina Netra. Harinasya Netra. I don't remember.
Gave both. First he gave Harina Netre Eva Netre. Then I think for some example he has given the Chashti usage he gave. Harinasya Netre Eva Netre. That also he gave.
Maybe both are correct. We don't know.
I think he has given.
So this is Bahuvrihi, is it? Why is it Bahuvrihi? Why not Tatpurusha?
No, because see, one is this Harina Netra Sa. That it is a Visheshanam to this Sa, no? Sa Sundari. Harina Netra is here a Visheshanam to Sa, that lady. So you take it as a Bahuvrihi.
It can't be.
See, because in this sentence, if you take it separately, say as Tatpurusha, Harinasya Netra, it means the deer's eyes. Sa Sundari.
Harina Iva Netra Iva. Can still be Tatpurusha.
No. Right. Rajashri Mohoday was right. Harinasya Netra. Because we have to think that Harina Netra. We cannot say like that.
Harina Netra means Harina Netram Iva Netram, right?
So what did Madhumati Mahodaya say? I didn't get it.
No, I'm saying same thing only, but I'm saying why not Tatpurusha, why Bahuvrihi?
No, Tatpurusha means what will be the Vigraham? Harinasya Netramma.
No, Atra Harina.
Oh, you're saying it will be. Oh no, I think Madhumati Mahodaya is saying Karmadarya, Harina Netra Iva Netra. No?
Correct. So something like, you have that.
Oh, I get your point. But you know, it is not that only because, you know, it is saying Sa Sundari Asti. Sa means some lady. I mean, I'm taking it, it can be a female deer also. I don't know, but I'm taking it as a lady here. Sa Sundari Asti. So I'm taking it as Bahuvrihi.
Because they are not talking about Harinaha, no Netram. They are talking about that Sundari Astis, Tasyaha Netra, Tasya Sundarta Harina Netra se asti. Right?
So if it were, if that sentence, I mean, if it was just a word, then you could have told it is
No,
karma
even
dharaya, is it?
no.
Um,
No, I feel, see, in Bahuvrihi, Upamana Purvapada Bahuvrihi is, say, Rajive Ivanetre. You have the Upamanam and then the Upameyam. Whereas in Karmadarya,
No, you have hima shitalam. Himam iva shitalam.
it will only compare to the quality, not to the part. You can only have, say, Upamana Purvapadam in Karmadarya, it will never be like Bahuvrihi. Because in Bahuvrihi, what you're doing, you're comparing the, say, for example, Rajiva, like the lotus with the eyes. Whereas in Karmadarya, it will only be, say, Himashitalam, the coldness with the, what Himashitalam means, like the eyes. The Gunam is compared. You will never compare a part. The minute a part comes, it will become Bahuvrihi. That's how I'm trying to make a differentiation. Because Himashitalam, Vajra Katoram, all these are Upamana Purvapada. Both, if you first will confuse whether it is Karmadarya or Bahuvrihi. The minute it is Karmadarya, that Gunam will come. Katoram, you know, it is hard, it is soft, Shitalam, cold like the ice. The minute you see a quality, it will become Karmadarya. Whereas if you see a part like this netra like that, it becomes Bahuvrihi. This comparing the eyes with the say the lotus with the eye does not happen in Karmadharya. That's how I have understood from the example he has given. It will always be Gunam in Karmadharya. Whereas in Bahuvrihi, it is always a part, lotus like feet, lotus like eyes, like that. So that way also, like, you know, to differentiate, I worked out that. Whereas if you have Uttarapadam, you don't have Upamana Uttarapadam in this Bahuvrihi. You have only Purvapadam. This is the confusing factor, like you said, you know, we can confuse Harina Netra as, you know, Upamana Purvapada Karmadarya. But the only separating factor is it will not have a part, it will have only the Guna. Isn't it, Harsha and Rohini Mahodaya? All of you can ask. That is separating.
Sarvada Brahma Asti Mahodaya.
No, that's why I'm saying I was thoroughly confused that Brahmam in order to the
This
minute
is
I
tip.
see part.
Rajshri Mahodaya's tip and trick.
No, tip nahi. This is Banu Mahodaya is told.
Oh, okay. So
Ah,
okay.
if it is Bahuvrihi, remember there will be, that's how I'm remembering. If
No,
there is
Bahuvrihi, obviously, you know, it is talking about somebody else.
ah,
So it's not about something else.
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
I mean, the character or whatever. It is not about that. It's
see,
not
like
the nature. That's what you're trying to say. It's not the nature. It is Karmadharya talks about the nature
the Gunam
as a
will,
Visheshanam or Gunam. Yeah, as a
that will
Visheshanam.
soft, that will come on the right side, on the Uttara.
Mm-hmm.
The minute you see hard, soft, tall, short, and all that, it is definitely Karmadharya, especially Uttarapadam. Whereas if it is Bahuvrihi, because Karmadharya and Bahuvrihi very similar, I find very, very similar, same Bhakti, very easy to confuse. But this is the one, especially in the Upamana Purvapada, Karmadharya and Upamana Purvapada Bahuvrihi.
Dhanyavad.
That's how I'm separating it.
Okay. Rohini Mahodaya.
Ah, नागवेणिः तरुणी मार्गे गच्छति. Again बहुव्रीहिः एव. नागवेणी नागवेणी न नागम् इव वेणी किल.
आम्
नागवेणी
नाग इव वेणी
नागः इति वेणिः इव नागः इव वेणिः यस्याः सा तरुणी.
आम् आम्
What is the meaning?
What? Hair
वेणी
like a serpent.
Sorry,
Hair like a
केशः
serpent.
both of you are talking. What is the meaning?
Hair like a serpent.
Oh, okay.
Hair
Hair like a serpent. Okay.
serpent. Yeah.
Okay.
What was the answer you told, Mahodaya? Nagah Venihi. I didn't understand.
Rashmi
Nagah.
Mahodaya, you are saying something is very feeble.
Oh, acha. No, I'm saying I didn't get this at all. Nagaveni, I can't make it.
नागः इव वेणिः यस्याः सा
Oh,
तरुणी. I don't know if I am correct or not.
This is Taruni's Visheshanam, Nagaveni. So it's a Bahuvrihi and Nag ikyute serpent or sarpa. Veni ikyute what we
Hair.
call, it's
Hair
a
she
hair,
said.
but it is beaded hair.
Bridal, yeah.
Yeah, beaded hair. Braided hair.
Okay.
Yeah. Means
Samayaha
choti
atitah.
बनाई हुई रहती है ना, वो
Huh?
चोटी बनाई हुई रहती है ना लंबी.
हाँ.
It's
Okay.
like, so it's
Dhanwad.
called Nagaveni. Okay. So Samapo.
it is
We'll
Bahuvrihi.
finish this alone, Mahodaya. We'll finish this four more, no?
We can finish it quickly. Is it? Have you checked the answer? I didn't.
I checked the answer.
Okay.
Okay.
So Rashmi Mahodaya, Samayatitaha is also a samasa, no?
Yeah,
Samayam
Samayam.
Atita.
Atita is
Dvitiya, you taught me today.
yeah. Atita Atyasta, going beyond is Dvitiya. Atita Atyasta Dvitiya.
No, in this exercise there are like on the back page also there are 20. So let's stop here if you want.
Rajashri
Next time we can do 10 more.
Yeah. Rajashri Mahodaya प्रार्थना श्लोकम करोति वा?
Okay, प्रार्थना. Om सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. Om शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम. धन्यवाद.
Dhanyavada Mahodaya.
Dhanyavad.